Hello and welcome everyone, Carman back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my Jaguar XJR, and today I'm going to be blacking out my front bumper side markers. Right now they're these orange color side markers and they really give it an outdated look, so I'm going to show you how to remove them and how to prepare them and get them painted. Let's get started. All you need is a flathead screwdriver and you're going to insert it in the corner and gently just pry it out, just like that. So this small tabbing fits into the chrome piece, and the two retainer clips are what hold the side marker in place. I'm going to be using some sandpaper, 400 and 1000 grit. They're completely prepared and now it's time to paint. And I'm going to be using some satin black. This is not flat and it's not glossy either. It's right in the middle, so it's going to be the perfect mix. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a like and share. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.